Hey Preston. We just got home from eating dinner. And Preston found a new toy. Watch what he does. He's 13 months, but he's not walking yet. Oh, he's not going to do it. He can reach the water on the fridge and he kept pushing the button. It was freezing every time. Yeah, you're cold, huh? I just heard him going. I'd hear him push the water and go, because it was so cold. Hey, can you see it with that string in the way? The girls are just doing some little crafts. They've got some glitter glue. Hi. Hey, baby. You sweet boy. Yeah. Careful, he's not walking yet, so he's got to be careful. Mom. Hey, girls. Avery and Piper. Hi. Not. Can't turn around. Hey. Here he comes. Fixing things in the house like he always does. Bebe. Ooh, careful, baby. Whoa. Okay. That scared him. He thought he was going to fall. I better sign off for now.